A very good morning to all my dear students. So yesterday you got your date sheet. Hopefully you have seen your date sheet and now you should be ready for your exams and ready to give the test daily. So today also I will give you some questions of term 1 after this video. So that will be your surprise test, as you should know all the answers now, because we were doing revision from so many days. Today I will give a surprise test. So now, dear students, yesterday we were reading about the chapter number 21 of civics, prejudice, discrimination and inequality. I have told you the meanings also, and I have also explained to you the flow chart, and also told you about the Nelson Mandela. And now we have to start the chapter, and I have told you to have a reading of the chapter yesterday. So maybe or hopefully you have done. Some of the students I know they have done, others may not, but mostly I noticed that some children are serious. So you should be serious for your studies, as this is a very critical condition, and in this critical condition we have to go hand in hand, teachers as well as the students. Then only we can pass this time successfully. So now, first topic of the chapter of civics, chapter 21, open page number 180. First topic is prejudice. What is the meaning of prejudice? First of all, biased, preconceived or unfavorable opinion formed about something or someone without examination of facts is called prejudice. So first of all, take an example. Take an example of your classroom only. When a new student comes to your class, first of all you see what is the name of the student. If the student is of your religion, then mostly the children are going and talking. But if the religion is different, then you are ignoring that person. Or sometimes we think in our mind only that this child is very proudy or is showing the attitude or whatever you heard about him or her from somebody else. So that is called prejudice. पहले से ही सुनकर ही किसी और के बारे में सुनकर उसके बारे में अपने मन में ओपिनियन कर लेना without examination of facts is called prejudice. This is known as prejudice, without examination of facts. Such an opinion is not based on reason or actual experience, and that opinion is not based on your actual experience. It is only by your hearing from others. Prejudice creates disharmony in society, or I have given you example of your class only, but this is the one of the most common reason of disharmony in the society. Disharmony means a lack of agreement or harmony. शांति, जो शांति होती है उसे तोड़ देना, उसको ख़राब कर देना. डिसहार्मनी, आपस में जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो उसे ख़त्म कर देना. दैट इज़ नोन एज डिसहार्मनी. So yesterday I have asked you the meaning of prejudice. Mostly the children had told me a lack of agreement or harmony. That is wrong. I have written the meaning of prejudice here, and I have told you the meaning of prejudice myself. It is not given. Full definition is given. So your answer was wrong yesterday, my dear students. Now back to your studies. Prejudice creates disharmony in society and hampers the progress and growth of the country. And it hampers, it will hamper means rokna, and it will hamper the progress and growth of the country. And it stop the growth of the country there only if there is disharmony in the country. So this is very common region of India also. As citizens of a land of diversity, one should be aware of the causes of prejudice. So we all know that India is a land of diversities. There are so many differences in caste, religion, states, soil. So many diversities are there. So as a citizen of a land of diversity, one should be aware of the causes of prejudice. What are the causes? उसके causes क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Now let's go further for the causes of prejudice. Prejudice can be due to various causes. Now see the causes. The basic causes of prejudice are ignorance. First of all, ignorance. Ignorance means when we are illiterate, we don't know anything. Mostly the illiterate people are ignorant. They don't know. Whatever the other people are telling them, they blindly accept that. So ignorance is the main cause. When people form an opinion before having the evidence for its truth. सच्चाई को जाने बगैर ही किसी के बारे में किसी से सुनकर अपने मन में ओपिनियन बना लेना. So that is known as prejudice, and this is the ignorance. It is because of ignorance and lack of sensitivity. Prejudice can also be the result of social bias. It is not something universal. Social bias means it is not something universal. When we are getting from our ancestors, from our grandparents, कुछ बातें ऐसी होती हैं जो हम ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से सीखते हैं या अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स, फादर, मदर, grandmother, grandfather से सीखते हैं. That is, it is not something universal, something we have inherited. We have inherited from the society or from the parents or the grandparents or are born within, या फिर हमारे अंदर ही by birth भी हो सकता है. Sometimes even family members can create prejudice. How the family members create prejudice? They discriminate between daughters and sons. Mostly the people, how they discriminate between daughters and sons, mostly what they are doing, they are sending their sons to good school like ours and sending daughters to any ordinary government school. So this is discrimination, and mostly the boys are allowed to go outside without any support or anything, and girls are asked to take brother or have to go with their father or any elder person. So this is called discrimination. So they discriminate between daughters and sons. Next point is religious diversity. How religious diversity? Religious diversity can give rise to prejudice. Sometimes differences within the same religion can give rise to prejudice. For example, like in Hindus only, so many castes are there. Some castes are upper caste and some are lower. So there may be differences within the same religion also. Same way in Muslims also there are so many differences between the same religion, within the same religion. Differences between the majority and minority communities may result in prejudice. Next is social distance. Social distance means the gap between different groups of society. Bans on entry on religious places, like the lower caste are not allowed to go to the religious places like temples or mosques, and other types of discrimination also lead to prejudice. So these are the causes of prejudice, and main reason is the ignorance, and we are not having the proper knowledge. So how we can get proper knowledge? We can get proper knowledge only by getting education. So this is about the causes and prejudice. Next we will read about effects of prejudice in the next video.